Yeah, my beautiful people. Yeah, this is DJ SWICKED Vlogs out here again. And guess what, guys? I'm out here by the sea tonight again, guys. Yo, to all me feel so happy. Guys, me have to come try out the rod tonight. Guys, I swear to you guys. So, guys, I want you stay tuned for that, you know, guys. Yeah, man. And just keep praying for DJ SWICKED. All of you guys, well, yo, me know I enjoy the vlogs them, guys. Yo, just continue like up the channel, yo, keep on share. You know what I mean? Tell a friend to come on board, you see me, and subscribe. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, DJ SWICKED Vlogs, always I do the right outside, guys. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, so stay tuned for this epic one, guys. Don't miss that one here, you know what I mean? Yes, guys. Just catch one, you know. I already did catch one before, but me use him for bait and grunt. You know, so yeah, guys, this is a Kanga tone, you know. So let me see what's going on for the rest of the night, you know. Yeah, guys, don't know. Vibes is on outside, you know, guys. I just see what's going on tonight, you know. Like one up on the line and come in. You know, if you guys are see the water clearly, but like one are coming in like inch up on the rock. And there's the water. Oh, guys. And what the thing going on, guys? Yeah, one more again from them. One more so thank to receive. Yeah, man, me just catch this, you know what I mean? Tell you it's a great vibes. The grunt this, you know, guys. Yeah, man, fat one. Fat. See if I can adjust the light better, so you guys can see what I'm going. Real fat, you know, guys. See that? Real fat. That look good. She says a nice catch that, guys. Normal. Normal a lie. Backside you could have been. So I'm sorry you couldn't see when you come out of the water, guys. Sweet to you. Yeah, man. You know we're going on alright, we're going on fine. Nice catch. You see me? All the can spawn, see me, you see pre. Yeah, man. Them catch a man I talk about. Yeah, guys. I tell you, say the rather go on sweet. Yeah, no. Me if tell you about it, guys. You know, me still outside. See you, man. See me? Yeah, man. I tell you, say me catch 2 Kanga tone. Would I not catch 2 grunt, but as me said before, me use one of them bait, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, say, no, it's a buzz right now, guys. Yeah, man, I have one little light on this, so. I have one light right here, you know? Yeah, man, I have a rod set out process, so I'm not catch nothing more upon the rod right now, but I still give God thanks, catch £1.5 grunt, you know? So, great vibes, guys. Yeah, man, just continue like up the channel, share up the channel, you know. Yeah, man, it's a great vibes tonight because I run after 12 hours, so I ride out and reaching around after 1 hour or so. So it's not a bad catch tonight, guys. It could have better still, but still appreciate it, you see me? Yeah, man, small master grateful receive, you know. Yeah, man, so you don't know it's a buzz right now, guys. Yeah, man. Here's the catch. Nah, man. Yeah, man. Nice size that guys. You see him full up around another side there. Yeah, man, normally me used to come and catch all my 4 or 5 of them there, and be a stamper, but things soon pick up again. You see me? Greatest thing. The rod saying, you know, come out here and get something now. The big one doing damage, so. Yeah, it's a great look, great feeling. Yeah, man. See you right there, guys. Man, got the boat in the water, you know. Yes, you know it's the vibes. Man. Don't worry about it. Don't tell me, you know, what you want it, you see me? Just go and stay tuned with DJ SWICKED vlogs in the morning, yeah. Yeah, man, just go and full jar the little early morning cruise, yeah. You see me? Cruise right now in the early morning, you know, guys. Don't worry about it. Yeah, man, brave star outside. You know, we do it already. Me have all the boat out on the water me there. Yeah, man. Africa, I don't know how to do it already, you know. Fully out when we do it. Yeah, man, morning cloud, guys. Take time a chip out. Yeah, man. Start them to take time a pinta go in. So you know the vibration go already. Yeah, man. Jamaica nature, you know? Yeah. Joy and happiness. When a clean hearted somebody alone can do out of them place and a full joy, them breezy and not worry about nothing. Yeah, man. Don't know clean hands and pure heart. Man shall enter in a Zion, you know. Yeah, man. Don't know. Good morning, my people. Good morning. Good night to all who they over in some part of one place there. You see me? Yeah. It's a buzz. Don't know an ice cream fudge, you see it? Normal procedure, man. So no worry about it. There. One online, I take it up and see what's going on feet. On time, God, my granny would have said at the morning star that, you know. Yeah, man, so. I don't know if a satellite or what they want to call it, but in the early 90s, they would have said it's a morning star that, you see me? Yeah, man, but anyway, the morning cloud that are cutting up, guys. Yeah, man, so you don't know. Yeah, man, I see the out here roll, see them here. Yeah, man. You don't know. You can hear it sing sweet tune out here. You know the ball game they go already. Yeah, man. Great morning vibes. A little breeze a blow cool and nice in the morning. Just imagine if I out on a boat me there out to see how it would feel. You know? Yeah, man, but it's a great vibes, you know. Hold on, me soon make you get a look on the rod out, you know. There out in the water, but through me kind of there, hold on for one online in the water. But no worry about it. Don't know the break, you know. You see me? Don't know me I do little offshore fish thing. You see me? So guys, I have 3 fish here me. Be a break. So don't know we appreciate what we getting on small mass of grateful we feel, you know what I mean? Yeah, man, so no worry about it, guys. Yeah, man. Your joy when you can't come look your own food, you see me? Yeah, man. Joy, guys. Go over there, so. Over a lighthouse, you know. Over that's a Marant Point. Yeah. Marant Point, that, you know. Guys. So I don't know, it's a vibes. Yeah, me the lethal foot, guys. Yeah, me I see if me can hold something in the morning. Hopefully the rod can pick up something more in the morning, you know, me can rejoice and feel glad, you know. Rather move so like you know to pick up something in the morning. Rather move so guys. Rather move like you want to pick up something guys. Watch and see now. Watch and see now man and put on to a nice sexy bait on it you know guys. See if we can fix things man. Daylight out fully you know, you know. Yeah man, fully you can see the dark cloud them coming from over Portland side here. You see it? Yeah man, yeah, look right over on the Maran Point you know. Yeah my beautiful people. You guys over this over Bloomer you know. Prospect, St. Thomas, you guys, it's a joy, you know, don't afford me to leave that food guys. It's a good ride to go back up, but you know you go watch that once we catch fish too, you go watch your face, you know. Boy guys, look like me no work bull cake, me say star. Get a pickle while. This is star and a dry me nice and sweet, you know. Boy, just leave me star. Yeah, man. You don't know it's a vibe same way, man. Can't give up, you know. Yeah, man. The bird must fly down and pick up a one fish stick while. Yeah, guys. But you don't know, me just stay and go and do the right thing same way. See me can catch two of them fish there out there, you know. And then I go and tree bad still. But if they have the right kind of bait, them would have gone well good at you. I don't know shrimps bait. But you know, maybe next time it will be more greater. I mean, yeah man, DJ SWICKED out here upon the scheme, you see me? Yeah man, like how you guys can get a little a Jamaica early morning view, you know? Yeah man. There's some more while me draw some nice jack from over across a little deep piece there, you know, but I never have no gilgin wire. I'm like put on gilgin wire and I fling across them deep part there. Yeah man, cause without a gilgin wire more while you lose all your good bite. You know? Like Jamaica gilgin wire guys. Yeah man. One sweet Jamaica sky. Yeah, pretty blue sky, you know? Yeah my people. Hope you guys full joy the vlog here. As me telling you before. You know? If you know yet, click the subscribe button. Yeah man, just do the right thing. Subscribe to the channel, you know what I mean? Yeah man. Don't know we no watch face, you know, wash face over on the side, you know what I mean? Yeah man, so guys, just do the right thing man and make DJ SWICKED vlogs run past 1,000 subscribers and I want to start gallang like mad, you know what I mean? Don't know well versatile when we do it, you know. Yeah man. Don't know every day we have become perfect more and more, so don't worry about it. Yeah man. I'm fully outside guys. You see it? So but we take time pack up and get together and, you know, arrange up myself because far me are going around 3 miles or 4 miles right now. Reach back in, you know. You don't know. Love fishing, you know, so you see it is not like I want to tell myself to stop deep. I'm gonna do it a long time. Long before me even think for video, you know what I mean? That is how the bucket stay now, you know what I mean? Yeah, it's a great look, great catch. Catch couple little snapper, you know? Yeah man. Don't know, guys, it's a joy, you know? Joy, guys. Joy and happiness. This must go beside this rat. Yeah, no. Yo, guys, this is a buzz. This is a buzz. Trouble. Who no see me? Who no see me yet? Who no see me yet? Yo, who no see me yet? Yo, you see how me like one? Trouble in our camp, innit? Trouble? Yo, a normal pre-man, normal procedure. You see me? Man have to go for where you want. Man have to hustle for where we want. Yeah, man, keep like, share, subscribe. Do the right thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just keep doing the right thing. Stay tuned to DJ SWICKED vlogs. You know what I mean? Yeah, for more nice and interested vlogs. You know what I mean? Love you guys always. Yeah, thanks for keeping it locked to DJ SWICKED vlogs.